Welcome to Ultimate Top 10. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and machine learning. If you're new to this field and looking to get started in 2024, you're in the right place. We'll cover the basics, essential concepts, and practical tips to set you on the right path. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let's get started. What is AI and machine learning? First things first, let's define what AI and machine learning are. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn from and make predictions based on data. Think of it as teaching computers to learn from experience, just like humans do. Key concepts in AI and ML. Now, let's break down some key concepts. Understanding these terms will help you grasp how AI and ML work. Number 1, algorithms. These are the sets of rules or instructions given to a computer to help it learn on its own. Number 2, data. In ML, data is crucial. Algorithms learn from data, so having quality data is essential. Number 3, training and testing. Training is the process of teaching an algorithm using data, while testing evaluates its performance. Number 4, supervised learning. This involves training an algorithm on labeled data, where the outcomes are known. Number 5, unsupervised learning. Here, the algorithm works with unlabeled data and tries to find patterns and relationships. Number 6, reinforcement learning. This type of learning is based on rewards and penalties, used to train algorithms to make sequences of decisions. Tools and libraries. To get started with AI and ML, you'll need to familiarize yourself with some tools and libraries. Here are a few popular ones. Number 1, Python. This is the most widely used programming language for AI and ML due to its simplicity and extensive libraries. Libraries. Some key libraries include TensorFlow, an open-source library for machine learning and deep learning. Keras, a high-level API for building and training deep learning models. Scikit-learn, a library for simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. PyTorch, another powerful library for deep learning, known for its flexibility and speed. Number 3, Jupyter Notebooks, an interactive environment that's perfect for experimenting with code and visualizing data. Getting started with a simple project. Let's put theory into practice. We'll walk through a simple ML project together. For this example, we'll build a basic classifier to predict whether an email is spam or not. Step 1, install necessary libraries, e.g., pandas, scikit-learn. Step 2, load and explore your dataset. Step 3, pre-process the data, cleaning and preparing it for the model. Step 4, split the data into training and testing sets. Step 5, train a model using a simple algorithm like logistic regression. Step 6, evaluate the model's performance using accuracy metrics. Step 7, make predictions and interpret the results. Resources for learning more. As you continue your journey in AI and ML, here are some resources to help you deepen your knowledge. Number 1, online courses. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer excellent courses in AI and ML. Number 2, books. Some popular books include Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Geron and Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow. Number 3, communities. Join online forums and communities like Reddit's R Machine Learning and Stack Overflow to connect with other learners and professionals. Number 4, blogs and YouTube channels. Follow blogs and channels that offer tutorials and insights into AI and ML. Common mistakes to avoid. As you start working with AI and ML, avoid these common pitfalls. Number 1, ignoring data quality. Poor data quality leads to poor model performance. Number 2, overfitting. This happens when a model learns too much from the training data and performs poorly on new data. Number 3, neglecting model evaluation. Always evaluate your model's performance to ensure it's working as expected. Number 4, skipping data pre-processing. Proper data preparation is crucial for effective modeling. Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps into the world of AI and machine learning. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep experimenting, learning, and exploring. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and ML. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.